A pleasant and a very good Monday. It's July 27th, 2020. Well, for this week, we're going to continue to have good chances for shower and thunderstorm activity in some areas, actually most areas, along with cooler temperatures. A cold front is coming tomorrow and Wednesday. This cool front's going to interact with the subtropical moisture that's in place to bring cooler temperatures and a better chance of showers and thunderstorms. However, this cold front will be like a broom, and it's going to sweep out the monsoon moisture. So the monsoon moisture flow will get cut off later in the week and over the weekend. The pattern east of the divide will be cooler to start the month of August. Again, this is going to be what side of the mountains you're on. If you're east of the mountains, you're going to be cooler to start August. West of the mountains, you're still going to stay very warm. This is a satellite photo showing where we have all the moisture. Here is the monsoon moisture plume that developed over the past week or so that has moved into the Midwest, through the desert Southwest, through the Rockies. Notice the cutoff here. You get north of this area here, there hasn't been nearly as many showers and thunderstorms, while south of this boundary, well, it's been very, very active. Down here is what's left of Hurricane Hanna. Now, what'll be interesting over the next couple of days is the remnants of Hanna actually get drawn this way. So as we get on into Tuesday and Wednesday, some of the leftovers of Hanna actually get drawn into here. Now up here, there's a cold front up north of there, and we'll show you that here in a minute. This is the current upper level pattern as of today. We've got high pressure over the desert Southwest. We still generally have a southwest flow into here, keeping that subtropical moisture in place. But notice this trough of low pressure up here. That's going to be having an impact on our weather later on. As we go into tomorrow, you can see that we've got a little bit of a trough right there. Doesn't look like much, but it is going to bring a cold front through. And notice also the high pressure ridge, which late last week and over the weekend is here, is actually retrograding west. Now this is really important. So what will happen is this will drag a cold front through tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and into Wednesday. And what will happen is that will bring better chances for widespread showers and thunderstorms. Here's the precipitable water for Tuesday. You can see there's actually an arch of better moisture associated with that front that'll be coming through. So the green and blue areas here, which is much further north, this is the chance for southern Montana, eastern Idaho, and central northern Wyoming to get rain. That'll be Tuesday and that'll be Wednesday. You can see the better moisture is along and north of I-80 for a change, along with that front. However, as we go further on, what'll happen is the air behind these fronts tends to be drier. Now this is for Wednesday. Notice the winds are lofted from the northwest. We have had southwest winds for better than a week, but northwest winds will come in during the second half of the week behind the front. The high pressure ridge then retrogrades even further out into the desert Southwest, and we stay under a northwest flow. And by Sunday, the high is here. The trough is in the Midwest. So what happens, folks? The flow of monsoon moisture gets completely cut off because the winds aloft are coming in from the north-northwest. This will lead to cooler air east of the divide as we start August, while if you're west of the divide, you're going to get hot, going to be very warm. East of the divide, you're going to be cooler. So depending on where you are watching and listening to this podcast, your weather will really be different depending on what side of the divide you're on. By Saturday, notice the brown that is in the southwest United States. Northwest winds aloft will focus the moisture more that way, but we see the monsoon getting cut off. That doesn't mean there won't be thunderstorms. There's going to be residual moisture left behind, but the coverage and the amount of thunderstorm activity really drops off. This is the forecast of precipitation through Friday, and you'll see that up here, the better chances of rain are actually with that northwest flowing air and that cold front. This moisture right here going to happen here over the next couple of days as the monsoon hangs on for 2 more days. Temperature-wise, look at those temperatures. These are temperatures over the next 10 days, and it really shows you along and east of the divide how much cooler it will be. Thanks for listening and watching the Day Weather Podcast. Talk to you on Tuesday.